Step 2, pierce it with a fork. Hey guys, my name is Sam. I'm the editorial assistant over at Cosmopolitan magazine. Today, we are reading an issue from October of 1988 with my girl, Cindy Crawford. She looks amazing. If you didn't see the last episode, make sure you go check it out. Hannah B, like from The Bachelorette, put mashed potatoes all over my face and it was literally disgusting.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I'm gonna get your eyebrow. Oh my God, this is the worst day of my life. Today, we are reading an issue from October of 1988 with my girl, Cindy Crawford. She looks amazing. I went through earlier and marked out all of my favorite tips and tricks that we're gonna try. Okay, the first thing I marked is, dinner for one. Microwave a potato. Why do we only use potatoes? I mean, I'm not really complaining. I like a potato in all its forms. Fried, baked, mashed, hash brown, shredded. Modest in calories, luscious. Eat the skin too. Easy fix. What could be better? I can't think of anything. Stir in carrot. Just stir that in. Stirring carrot. I'll just like wing it. Okay. Fabulous fingertips. Except not even joking and not even being sarcastic because look at what she's doing to his mouth, that poor man. That's kind of sexy. Want to create a lovely tension? Then pay some tender attention to those little places that can really set the night on fire. Secret love zones. Ooh-hoo! Okay, foldable hands mean weekly manicures. I could get down with that. For pure indulgence, Diana Allen of Diana Salon in NYC recommends a hand facial. Okay, okay. Knee-deep sensuality. What do you knee deep in? I don't wanna know. The unexpected other side. Backs of your knees are another secret spot that can send waves of pleasure all over, not just to the front of your knees. I just inserted, that was an editor's note. Oh, there's more on this page. Start some leg shaping activities like race walking, biking, ballet. Wow, take the stairs whenever you can. Work up to 12 flights a day. Normally, I'm allergic to exercise. However, for the sake of the show, I must do it. Body and souls, like S-O-L-E-S. Oh, Helen. Directly underfoot, a lovely love zone created, it seems, purely for pleasure. Yeah, purely for pleasure. Works for me. Since fragrance, like heat, rises, a drop of your favorite cologne on the tops of those tender tootsies will engulf every part of you in delicious fragrance for hours. Does it work if you're wearing boots? I don't know. We're gonna find out. We've officially gone through the magazine and made a list of all the crazy things we're gonna try today. Baked potato for one, super soft hand mask, leg workouts. Okay, wish me luck. We're about to race walk to my desk. Can you keep up? Hi, Jess. Yes.
So in about half an hour, I'm gonna go edit the Cory Booker video.
Cool.
Will you see if Christina can join me for that?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, guys, I don't just have any cottage cheese lying around, so I'm gonna slack the rest of the team and see if they can help me out. Megan usually has stuff because the video team, you guys, is always doing crazy. Megan had almost everything, which, not that surprising. Let's go grab them from her. Hi. I hear you have cottage cheese.
Yeah.
What? There's just it's like Sprite, water, cottage cheese.
You need carrots?
Yeah, I definitely need carrots.
Oh, you need help?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, cool.
Scallions.
Uh-huh. Yep, hit me. Oh, this feels right.
Yeah. Okay, and we've got potatoes too. I don't have like some of the beauty stuff. I think you have to go by the beauty closet.
We can do the beauty closet.
Oh, but I have this for you.
Gonna need it. Ah, yes. Let's go to the beauty closet. Hey, girl. What do I need? Lotion? Ah, you're amazing. Will you drop that in there for me with all the radishes? Thank you, honey. Wrist walk. We have to start by scrubbing and drying a medium-sized potato. And then I have to pierce it in several places with a fork. Potato. It needs a good scrub. Okay. It's a nice looking potato. Okay, step 2, Pierce it with a fork. It didn't really say how much to pierce it, how deep to pierce it, where to pierce it. Microwave, plate. T-minus 20 seconds until potato time. Once it's done, I need to cut it open and top with the cottage cheese topping, which we are going to make together here today. Cut open. I can do that. Oh yeah, that is a baked half potato. Okay, now we have to make the cottage cheese topping. Oh my God. Wow, it's like water. We're gonna use a food processor now. I've never done this at my job before. Okay, it's happening. Oh my God. I'm just gonna put the lid on because I'm terrified that it's gonna explode. Puree. There's a button that says puree, okay. Okay, ready? Next up. Stir in carrot, celery, half a tablespoon of onion, salt and pepper. Okay, we got carrots. That looks nice. Onions. See guys, I actually know how to cook. I just don't do it very often. Stir in the onion and then salt and pepper. Hello, onions. Yum. Oh, that is mixed. Oh yeah, that is some real life cottage cheese. I'm kind of comfortable with this. Okay, well garnish, they say to garnish. Wife me up.
Yeah.
Guys, look, it's so cute. Okay, well that was really exciting and it's really pretty, so let's go eat my lunch. Little desk potato action. Okay, it's delicious. Guys, these tips today are really holding up. I like want more of this. Can I eat this? Like, okay. This has been pleasantly surprising. Sorry, I'm still eating this, it's delicious. Okay, we are back to Secret Love Zones, and now we are on the body and souls section, which I told you before, it sounds really gross. That's because it is really gross. Basically, we're about to spritz some of our favorite fragrance on the tops of my tender Tootsies. I'm sorry you had to hear that from me, but you did, and so now we're just gonna do it. So I'm gonna take my favorite fragrance. This is Eau de Juice by Cosmo, and then Maxwell over here is going to smell my tender Tootsies and tell me how delicious I am. So much of it just came out of my foot. Helen Gurley Brown says that like heat, fragrance rises. So by spraying perfume on my feet, that means like my whole body is gonna smell heavenly for the rest of the day. Maxwell, please, will you do the honors? Tell me how it smells. Is it juicy?
It smells juicy.
It smells juicy. Do I smell like Helen?
Honestly, yes.
Like, can you smell it
truly,
up
truly,
there
yes. I
and
don't
like,
even have to get down to your feet.
like you smell it everywhere?
I smell it everywhere.
Okay, that Cosmo tip seems super legit. Thank you for your service, Maxwell. That's another Cosmo tip in the book that is super legit. I feel like I would only try this tip if I were wearing open-toed shoes or like a shoe that gives my feet room to breathe. So I would probably try this if I was having like a flip-flop moment. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the 14th floor and we're gonna try out the bike, which I am not very familiar with already. Okay. I've never been in the stairs before. Honestly, we're already on the 20th floor. This isn't even so bad on the way down. I'm more worried about the way up. That's what they do on the bikes, I think. I'm working on my secret love zone. This one being shapely legs. This is really good for shaping my legs. Wow, I haven't done this in a long time. Okay, now that I have super shapely legs, we're gonna fast walk all the way back to my desk. And oh my God, I just realized we're on the 14th floor. And that means I have to take the stairs all the way up to 22. Now that I'm nice and sweaty, let's do some self-care. I propose hand masks. Need this, need this. Oh. Need these. Let's do it. Okay, step one, we have to steam the towel. So I'm sorry for making you do this with me, but we are gonna have to race walk again. Are you allowed to come in here? We don't have like a real humidifier or a steamer right now, so this is gonna have to do. Step 1, wrap hands in steamed towels. Here I go. This is nice. It doesn't say how long, so I'm just gonna stay. Okay, my hands have been softened. They're probably a little pruny because that's what happens. A little pruny. That's what happens to me when I get in the water. I don't know, they say it has something to do with like how dehydrated you are. And I did have a couple glasses of wine last night, so. Follow with the richest moisturizer. So we have a lot of good stuff in our beauty closet, which you would know if you watched we saw from the beauty closet. I'm not exactly sure what makes something the richest moisturizer in all the land. This one, by Versed, is called Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream, which, that sounds about right. Actually, I should take off all my rings first. Moisturizing time. This is so fun. This is way better than putting mashed potatoes on my face, let me tell you. That feels like a lot. Slip on a pair of white cotton gloves. Okay, if you've ever had lotion hands, which is like that greasy feeling like when you put on lotion, you know what I'm about to experience, and it is slightly unpleasant. Although, the results are gonna be worth it, I think. You're gonna wanna throw these out after. Slip on a pair of white cotton gloves and slip into sleep. We are slipping into sleep, my friends. Okay, let's do a little bit of a lie down. Oh. Okay, you guys, make sure you try your baked potato at home. It literally was like 8 minutes total to make that delicious potato cottage cheese moment. Did you know that's my first time ever having cottage cheese? It was great. I'm shook as you are. I hope you stay tuned for the next episode, which is gonna be equally fun. So make sure you hit the bell down there, subscribe, like this video, do all of the things, hit all of the buttons, because then you can join us next time and we're going to have a whole nother blast.